In a rain-washed alley, a dusty notebook opens and a tiny doodle steps into the neon night. The animated figure discovers a city of cardboard buildings that quiver with color when drawings blink awake. With a flick of a pen, the street becomes a stage where pigeons dance and lampposts hum a gentle tune. A passerby watches, pockets empty, yet the art fills him with hope, proving animation can spark real kindness. When dawn arrives, the frames retreat, but the city remembers the moment, craving new drawings tomorrow for everyone.